Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How-To, and today I'm going to show you how to take the head off of your Dyson Light Ball vacuum. Keep watching, find out how. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the cleaning head from your Dyson Light Ball vacuum. Now this is going to be useful for you if you've either run over some hair or some wool or gone into some kind of fabric or whatever and it's got it all wrapped around the brush bar. Now at first looks, you look at it and it wouldn't be completely obvious how to take it apart. So I'm going to go through the steps of showing you how to do it, so hopefully you won't have to look up the manual and do it as I did. So first thing to do is to make sure that the vacuum is switched off and also unplugged from the main socket. Once you've done that, you can then lean the vacuum downward. So once you've got it leant down and in a safe position, all you do is there's a red clip on the front and it's a spring-loaded clip, so all you do is push the clip down and you'll hear a slight click, and then you can gently push the head downward and it will release from the vacuum itself. So there's a red clip there. You can't push upwards because this bar is here, so the only way it'll go is go down, and there's some lugs and what have you there for electrical connectors. So once you've got that connected, or disconnected rather, you can put the vacuum to one side. And now we've got the head itself. So if you spin the head round, you'll see on this side there is a small little button you can press, and all you need to do is push that button in and at the same time twist this around. So push the button in and twist that around. So it clicks into place when it's in. So press and hold that button in and twist off or twist away from the rest of the brush bar. Now once you've done this is loose, and then you can pull the unit right out. So you can give it a clean. As you can see, this one's been cleaned already. So we've just done this because I've had exactly the same thing happen. So literally you can run it under a tap or whatever, give it a brush, microfiber cloth, whatever you want to do, a little bit of disinfectant if you wanted to. But once that's done, that also gives you access to the inside of here, so you can give that a clean if need be. When you're done, literally all you do is put it back in, give it a slight twist as you do, push it all the way in, and you should find at the very end you can see it won't go all the way in, and that's because the last part is the twist. So push it in slightly and click into position, and there you go. That is your brush bar reinstalled inside the head. Now obviously to put it back together is the reverse of what we've just done. So what you can do is put that to one side, grab the vacuum, and from the bottom line it up and it will click into place, and then it's nice and secure, and make sure that that's all connected and we're all good. So once that's done, you're ready to carry on and do your vacuuming, and your vacuum's nice and clean. So I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How-To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.